हेलो फ्रेंड्स, स्वागत है आपका इस यूट्यूब चैनल जेके स्टडी मटेरियल में, जहां आपके लिए स्टडी मटेरियल नोटिफिकेशंस वगैरह लेके आता रहता हूं मैं। तो आज का इंपॉर्टेंट वीडियो है 300 जनरल साइंस क्वेश्चंस। ये बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट वीडियो आपके लिए, जहां पर 300 आपके लिए जनरल क्वेश्चन है साइंस के। 100 फिजिक्स के, 100 केमिस्ट्री के, 100 बायो के, ये सभी इसी वीडियो में मैं आपके साथ शेयर करने जा रहा हूँ। तो इस वीडियो को और फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर करें ताकि उनकी हेल्प हो सके। इस चैनल पर नए हैं, सब्सक्राइब करें ताकि आपको मिले जेन्युइन स्टडी मटेरियल, क्योंकि ये वाले जो क्वेश्चन हैं ये हर एग्ज़ाम में पूछे जाते हैं। एसएससी के एग्ज़ाम में, रेलवे के एग्ज़ाम में, एसबीआई के एग्ज़ाम में। तो हम स्टार्ट करते हैं फिज़िक्स से। जैसा कि आप यहाँ पर फिजिक्स से हम स्टार्ट करते हैं। ब्लेड्स ऑफ विंड मिल पॉसेस डैश डैश हिंस दे आर टर्न बाय ए फास्ट विंड। तो इसका आंसर है पोटेंशियल एनर्जी। तो ये सिर्फ आंसर साथ में इसलिए लेके आया हूँ क्योंकि आपके लिए मॉक टेस्ट अलग रखा है मैंने, वो नेक्स्ट वीडियो में आपके लिए आएगा। तो यहाँ पर सिर्फ आंसर इनको याद रखो। ए डार्क स्किन मैन एक्सपीरियंस डैश डैश एज कम्पेयर टू फेयर स्किन मैन, लेस हीट एंड लेस कोल्ड। Question third, what device is used to break or complete an electronic circuit switch? What is the temperature at which both the Fahrenheit and the centigrade scales have the same value? At minus 40 degree. Acceleration act always in the direction of the net force. The principle used in working of an atom bomb is nuclear fission. What is the unit used to measure the depth of sea? Fathom. बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन ये आपके लिए। Astigmatism can be corrected by cylindrical lenses. Lambert's law is related to illumination. In a battery, which is energy is converted into electrical energy? That is chemical energy. The longitudinal mechanical waves of less than 20 Hz are called infrasonic. Distance of stars are measured in light years. Albert Einstein was awarded the Nobel Prize for photoelectric effect. Electric motor converts the electric energy to mechanical energy. Robert Koch has invented the electron microscope. Forces of attraction between the molecules of different substances is called adhesive force. Electrons in good conductor are loosely bound. One barrel of oil is equal to dash dash liter, approximately 159 liters. If a bar magnet is cut lengthwise into three parts, what will be the total number of poles be? There are 6. If the body is hollow, then its center of gravity lies outside the material. If the temperature inside a room is increased, the relative humidity will decrease. In a summer, the mirages are seen due to the phenomena of total internal reflection. आपको जो एग्ज़ाम में इनसे ऊपर और कोई क्वेश्चन नहीं आने वाले, क्योंकि ये टॉप 100 क्वेश्चन है फिजिक्स केमिस्ट्री बायो में। टोटल 300 बनते हैं, इन पर ध्यान रखें। इन द विजिबल स्पेक्ट्रम विच कलर हैज़ द लॉन्गेस्ट वेवलेंथ? दैट इज रेड। इन विच मीडियम साउंड ट्रेवल फास्टर? सॉलिड। Insects can move on the surface of water without sinking due to surface tension of water. The laws of electrolysis were proposed by M. Faraday. Light travels in a straight line. What is used as a cooling agent in most of world's commercial nuclear power plants? That is water. Nature of sound wave is longitudinal. 1 Fermi unit is equal to 10 raised to power minus 15 meter. How many basic SI units are there? 7. What is the principle on which a transformer works? Mutual induction. The distance between Earth and Sun is termed as 1 astronomical unit. Potential energy of your body is minimum when you lie down on ground. What is the freezing point temperature of pure water? 32 F. What is the unit of measurement of an angle? Radian. Radio waves of constant amplitude can be generated with an oscillator. ये फिजिक्स पर अभी कर रहे हैं हम, 100 पहले फिजिक्स के करेंगे, उसके बाद आगे जाएंगे दोनों पर। Hooke's law is related to elasticity. Sudden fall in barometer is indication of storm. Water moving up a straw is an example of capillary action. The blue color of the clear sky is due to dispersion of light. What is the magnetic field direction within a magnet from south to north? The experiment demonstrating the existence of electromagnetic wave was first conducted by Heinrich Hertz. The filament string is an electric bulb is made of which metal? Tungsten. Drag is the dash dash force exerted by fluids friction. The hydraulic brake used in automobiles is a directed application of Pascal's law. The image formed by convex lens in a simple microscope is virtual and erect. What kind of mirror is used in a motor vehicles near the driver's seat? Convex mirror. Dash dash and dash dash are present in the nucleus of an atom, neutrons and protons. The size of atomic nucleus is of the order of 10 power minus 15 m. 50 यहाँ पर इसके हो चुके हैं, इसके अभी 50 बाकी हैं. आपके लिए रिमाइंडर, बाकी हमें अभी केमिस्ट्री और बायो पर जाना है. इस वीडियो को कंप्लीट देखें, आपके लिए इसका पीडीएफ में प्रोवाइड करूँगा. आप वीडियो देखते जाएं तो आपको पता चल जाएगा. जहाँ से आपको कोई यहाँ पर प्रॉब्लम हुई, कोई क्वेश्चन में अगर प्रॉब्लम वगैरह हुई तो आप कमेंट सेक्शन में बता सकते हो. From the moon surface, astronauts see a black sky. This is because of absence of atmosphere on moon. The specific resistance of a wire varies with its material. The speed of light will be decreased with the rise of the temperature of the medium. True or false? False. It remains unchanged. Which is the strongest force in the nature? Nuclear force. Which device is used to measure the temperature of the sun? Pyrometer. बहुत important question है, बहुत exams में आता है. Which phenomenon occurs when light passes from the denser to rarer medium? Total internal reflection. Which substance do not allow flow of charge through them? Insulators. The value of which quantity remains same in all system of units? Specific gravity. What is the speed of sound in air? 332 meter per second. The working of quartz crystal in the watch is based on which effect? Piezoelectric effect. Permanent magnetic are made of steel. During a fog, the visibility is reduced. This is because of which phenomenon? Scattering of light. Weightlessness experienced in a spaceship is due to absence of gravity. Which device is used to find submerged objects? Sonar. What converts the alternating current into direct current? Rectifier. Which element is used as a moderator in nuclear reactors? Graphite. Which device converts light energy into electric energy? Photoelectric cell. The unit of power of lens is called diopter. What is the unit of radioactivity? That is Curie. An object has to attain the velocity of dash dash to escape from Earth's atmosphere, 11.2 km per second. चैनल को सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करें, आपके लिए बाकी स्टडी मटेरियल भी आता रहेगा, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन. तो यहाँ पर हम पहुँचे क्वेश्चन नंबर 71. What is the measuring unit of length of light waves? Angstrom. A short duration wave is known as pulse. When did Einstein propose that matter can be converted into energy? 1905. What is the SI unit of luminous intensity? Candela. What is the unit of magnetic flux? Maxwell. ये ऑस्ट्रेलिया का ऑलराउंडर नहीं, ये दूसरा मैक्सवेल है. What is the unit of specific resistance? Ohm meter. The wavelength of visible spectrum ranges from 390 to 700 nanometers. A washing machine works on principle of centrifugation. When a ball is thrown upward, what happens to its acceleration? It remains constant. Magnifying glass is made of which type of lens? Convex lens. क्वेश्चन 81। तो यहाँ पर इसके अभी रहे 20 क्वेश्चन फिजिक्स के। What color will a red glass appear if it heated in dark room? Green. What happens to the surface tension of the water when a detergent is added to it? Decreases. The value of g acceleration due to gravity is maximum at poles. Which instrument is used to measure altitudes in aircrafts? Altimeter. Which instrument is used to measure change in volume of substances? Dilatometer. Which instrument is used to measure depth of ocean? Photometer. The power of electric circuit is measured with a wattmeter. Which instrument is used to measure the scattering of light by particles suspended in a liquid? Niplometer. Which is more elastic, steel or rubber? Steel. यहाँ पर बहुत स्टूडेंट्स को कन्फ्यूजन हो जाती है, वो रबर पर चूज़ करते हैं, मगर इलास्टिक ज़्यादा स्टील होता है। Which is the only natural magnet? Magnetite. 91. What principle is used in the designing of ships and submarines? Archimedes principle. Nuclear fusions are initiated by neutrons. The wire in an electric heater is made up of nichrome. During sonography, which types of waves are used? Ultrasonic waves. Dude bulb was discovered by Sir J.S. Fleming. बहुत से यहाँ पर ड्यूड बल्ब की जगह जब बल्ब वॉज डिस्कवर्ड होता है सर जी.एस. फ्लेमिंग को चूज़ करते हैं। जब ड्यूड बल्ब होता है तब कन्फ्यूजन में आकर किसी और को चूज़ कर लेते हैं, बोलते हैं बल्ब तो किया है मगर ड्यूड नहीं किया है। हु गिव द फर्स्ट एक्सपेरिमेंट वैल्यू ऑफ जी? कैवेंडिश. Who had showed that the electric and the magnetic waves are equal in vacuum? James Clerk Maxwell. What is the escape velocity of moon? 2.38 km per second. Why does a liquid drop tend to assume spherical shape? To minimize surface tension. Last question of physics. Resistance of a conductor is inversely proportional to its cross-sectional area. ये हमारा रहा फिजिक्स का। अब हम स्टार्ट करते हैं आगे। अब हमारा पोर्शन स्टार्ट हुआ केमिस्ट्री का। यहाँ पर क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 से, What is used in nuclear reactor as a moderator? It is also known as heavy water. Deuterium oxide D2O. Which metal is in liquid state at room temperature? Gallium. Dash dash element or non-metal. Electronegative. What is known as artificial silk? Rayon. Nitrous oxide N2O is also known as a laughing gas. Which compound is used to prepare waterproof clothes? Calcium hydride. Which noble gas is also known as stranger gas? Xenon. Which acid is known as oil of vitriol? Sulfuric acid. For making of parachute, which polymeric substance used? Viscose. Acid rain is caused when air is polluted by dash dash gases, nitrous oxide and sulfur dioxide. All noble gases are dash dash and dash dash, colorless and odorless. Question number 12. Dash dash is used as water purifier. Aluminium is extracted from which ore? Bauxite. The dash dash process is used to synthesize ammonia NH3. Haber's process. Which compound or acid commonly known as aspirin? Acetylic acid. Dash dash gas used to fill balloons. Helium. जो बैलून्स वगैरह में पड़ती है तो उसे हीलियम कहते हैं। डैश डैश इज ऑल्सो नोन एज ब्राइटर वाटर. बैरियम हाइड्रोक्साइड. बेस्ट सोर्सेज फॉर विटामिन डी आर सनलाइट एंड फिश लिवर. Which gas is the chief component of biogas? Methane. And dash dash is the purest form of carbon found in nature, that is diamond. The chemical name of washing soda is sodium carbonate. What is the chemical name of chromic acid? Chromium trioxide. Chemical name of picric acid is trinitrophenol. In photography, which chemical used as a fixer? Sodium thiosulfate. What are caused to control the chain reaction in a nuclear reactor? Cadmium rods. In sunlight, chloroform is converted into dash dash, a poisonous gas for skin. Which vitamin contain cobalt? Vitamin B12. Dash dash is one of the most common preservative used in food processing industry. Benzoic acid. Which compounds are responsible for permanent hardness of water? Sulfates and chlorides of calcium and magnesium. यहाँ पर आपको दो MCQ आ सकते हैं. सल्फेट्स ऑफ कैल्शियम एंड कैल्शियम, सल्फेट्स ऑफ मैग्नीशियम, क्लोराइड्स ऑफ, अगर आपको यहाँ पर तीन आ गए, सल्फेट्स एंड क्लोराइड्स ऑफ कैल्शियम, सल्फेट्स एंड क्लोराइड्स ऑफ मैग्नीशियम, थर्ड कुछ और होगा, फोर्थ होगा ए एंड बी, आपको ए एंड बी चूज़ करना है. अगर आपको यहाँ पर तीनों ये होंगे, सल्फेट्स ऑफ कैल्शियम, क्लोराइड्स ऑफ मैग्नीशियम, सल्फेट्स ऑफ मैग्नीशियम, इसी तरीके से कुछ ऑप्शन दिया होगा, तो आपको यहाँ पर चूज़ करना है ऑल ऑफ द एबो. तो यहाँ पर ध्यान में रखना इस क्वेश्चन को. The temporary hardness of water caused by because of which component? Bicarbonate of calcium and magnesium. Copper is extracted from which ore? Copper pyrite. When there is dash dash, dead organisms are transformed into petroleum and natural gas due to absence of air. यहाँ पर इसका आंसर है absence of air. Deuterium is dash dash of hydrogen isotope. The weight of iron is dash dash when it is undergoing the process of rusting. Increase. Efficiency of the catalyst depends on its molecular state. Eggshell is made up of calcium carbonate. जो एग का वाइट ऊपर जो होता है शेल, उसको किससे बना होता है? कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट का. Which vitamin are fat soluble? विटामिन ए, विटामिन डी, विटामिन ई एंड विटामिन के. तो इसका ऑप्शन आपको डिफरेंट तरीके से आ सकता है, यहाँ पर पूछ सकता है कौन सा है, विटामिन ए, विटामिन डी, विटामिन ई या ऑल ऑफ द एबो, किसी तरीके से भी आपको पूछ सकता है. आप इन क्वेश्चंस को नोट डाउन करके रखो अपनी नोटबुक पर अच्छे तरीके से. Which was the first organic compound synthesized in a lab and it was done by whom? Urea by Friedrich Wöhler. Phos wire is made up of lead and tin. Question number 40. Dash dash is used to coat galvanized iron, that is zinc. Question 41 है यहाँ पे. Which gases are used by sea divers for underwater breathing? Oxygen and helium. Dash dash and dash dash. Gases are helpful for ripening of raw fruits. Ripening of raw fruits. यहाँ पर ethylene and acetylene. तो जो यहाँ पर raw fruits को यहाँ पर यूज़ करते हैं, तो वो इन gases को यूज़ भी कर सकते हैं. The dash dash found in an ore is known as gangue impurities. Iron is extracted from which ore? Hematite. Kerosene is a mixture of aliphatic hydrocarbon. Which elements is used for making of lead pencil? Graphite. The lightest metal is lithium. Dash dash is the main ore of mercury. Cinnabar. Which metal is found in highest proportion in Earth's crust? Aluminium. Mine explosions are mostly caused by mixing of air and methane. What is the compound used to nail polish remover? Acetone. Natural rubber is a polymer derived from isoprene. The coating on non-stick cookware is of PTFE Teflon. ये बनता है पूरा polytetrafluoroethylene. The nuclear fusion on the sun's surface results into formation of dash dash atoms, helium. Organic compounds are only soluble in non-polar solvents. Dash dash is also known as fool's gold, iron pyrite. In an oxidation process, dash dash happens, loss of electron happens. Oxides of metal are alkaline. Ozone is dash dash in nature, diamagnetic in nature. The chemical composition of paper is that of a calculose. Paraffin wax is saturated hydrocarbon. In which type of rock is petroleum fossil fuel is found? sedimentary rocks. Dash dash is also called white gold, platinum, which is the purest form of iron, roughed iron. Which ore is used to extract iridium patchblende. Soldier is an alloy of tin and lead. Solder. Which radioactive isotope is used in cancer treatment? Cobalt 60. Dash dash is the element common to all acids. Hydrogen. Dash dash is created by alloying iron and chromium. Stainless steel. The luster of metal is due to presence of free electrons. Which mineral element is found in chlorophyll? Magnesium. The most abundant element in Earth's crust is oxygen. The term catalysis was coined by John Jacob Berzelius. Which element is the primary reason for radioactivity found in human body? Potassium 40. Germanium and ultra pure metal is purified by which method? Zoom refining. Tooth enamel is made up of, यहाँ पर आपको hydroxyapatite a mineral compound of calcium and phosphate. Which gas is filled inside a tube light? Mercury, वेपर एंड अर्गान. यहाँ पर आपको तीन दिए जाएंगे तो उसमें से आपको कुछ आप ये अच्छे तरीके से इन दोनों को याद रखें, इजी रहेगा. Dash dash is an aqueous solution of acetic acid, vinegar. Which vitamin are water soluble? Vitamin B complex and vitamin C. Silver turn black turnish because of its reaction with sulfur. Sulfur से जैसे इसका reaction होता है ये क्या हो जाता है? Black. Question 81st. Melting of ice can be prevented with the use of gelatin. A bee sting contains which acid? Methanic acid. An orange contains dash dash acid. Citric acid. Etching of glass is done with the help of hydrofluoric acid HF. Which acid is used in soft drink? Carbonic acid. Silver iodide is used as a seed agent for making of artificial rain. Dash dash is used as a catalyst for the synthesis of sulfuric acid by contact process. Platinum. 88. Vanaspati ghee is synthesized with the help of which catalyst? Nickel Ni. Swelling of bread take place because of carbon dioxide. Cigarette lighters contain dash dash gas, butane gas. Which gas is used in fire extinguisher? Carbon dioxide. Dash dash is termed as metal of future, titanium. Safety matches are prepared using red phosphoric. A photoelectric cell contains dash dash metal, selenium metal. Zinc phosphide is used as rat poison, which is the hardest substance found in human body. Tooth enamel. Ozone is an dash dash of oxygen, allotrope of oxygen. Which metal is naturally antibacterial? Copper. Which was the first element to produce after Big Bang? Hydrogen. If you pour a handful of salt into a glass water, the water level will go down. अब हमारा स्टार्ट होता है बायो का पोर्शन. तो यहाँ पर हम बायो पर जाते हैं. Alcoholic drink contain ethyl alcohol. Glucose is stored in the form of dash dash by animals. Glycogen. Accessories is caused by roundworm. BCG vaccination. Bacillus calmette-guerin gives immunity from tuberculosis. Blood group was discovered by Carl Landsteiner. The first successful heart transplant in India was performed by Dr. Prangali Venugopal. The oral polio vaccine was discovered by John Salk. Companion cells are unique to angiosperm. DNA stands for deoxyribonucleic acid. Dog bite can be cause rabies. Bite of which other animal can also cause rabies? Bat. Endocrine glands are also known as ductless glands. The smallpox vaccine was discovered by Edward Jenner. अब क्वेश्चन नया भी इंक्रीज होगा जब कोरोना की आएगी. कोविड-19 वैक्सीन वाज डिस्कवर्ड बाय, अभी तो हुआ नहीं. Deficiency of iodine leads to enlargement of thyroid gland. First vaccine produced by biotechnology was used against which virus? Hepatitis B. Turmeric is obtained from dash dash of a plant, stem of a plant. Genes are made by polynucleotides. Hematopoiesis occurs in bone marrow. Leprosy is also known as Hansen's disease. A human skull was dash dash number of bones, 22 bones. Deposition of which acid in the muscles lead to a feeling of fatigue in humans, lactic acid. RBC's count in the blood is increased when a person is having polycythemia. Where are the lacrimal glands situated in the human body? Eye orbit. The red, blue, and purple colors seen in plant is because of dash dash pigment, anthocyanin pigment. Which part of the human brain controls motor skills of the body? Frontal lobes. What is the name? What is the name the hormone that regulates the amount of glucose in the blood? Insulin. Name the gas used for making vegetable ghee. Hydrogen. Which is the largest gland in the human body? Both क्वेश्चन इस पर आता है तो वो लीवर है. The smallest functional unit of a kidney is nephron. 10th क्लास में ऑलरेडी पढ़ा होगा आप लोगों ने. James D. Watson, a Nobel Prize winning scientist, is expert in the field of genetics. Polio is caused by a virus. आपको यहाँ पर ऑप्शन होगा बैक्टीरिया डैश 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 डैश, तो आपको वायरस चूज करना है. The flow of energy in the energy pyramid is always upwards. Saliva help in digestion of starch. Which parent's chromosome is used for sex determination test? Further, the biogas used for cooking is a mixture of methane and carbon dioxide. The yellow color of the human faces is a result of pigment called urobilin. Which air pollutants cause the most serious health hazards? Sulfuric dioxide. Vitamin K is required for the synthesis of porothrombin. Which compound is used in antimalarial drug? Chloroquine. Dental cavities are caused because of the deficiency of fluorine. Which is the process of filtering blood through an artificial kidney is called dialysis. Which is the first vaccine injected into a newly born baby? BCG. Food poisoning is caused by Clostridium botulinum. Which hormone is used as an oral contraceptive? Progesterone. The longest and largest bone in human body is femur. Which metal is present in hemoglobin? Iron. What is the total number of chromosomes found in human gene? 46. The pH value of human blood is 740. The plants which grow under water stress condition are called xerophytes. During photosynthesis, solar energy is converted to chemical energy. Which is the smallest bone in human body? Stapes. ये कान में होती है. The study of tree is called dendrology. Who proposed the theory of natural selection? Charles Darwin. Turpentine oil is obtained from resin from pines. Uppermost layer of skin is called epidermis. Which is the only element found in chlorophyll? Magnesium. What are bryophytes? Amphiboous plants. Which component of the cell is called its kitchen? Chloroplast. What is known as suicidal bags of cell? Lysosomes. What is the cytolic and diastolic pressure in a healthy man? 120 mm and 80 mm. Dermatology is the study of human skin. Which chemical is popularly used in rat poison? White phosphorus. What is the dental formula of amine? 2123 by 2123. What is the name of first clone sheep? Dolly. Dash dash is the normal cholesterol level in human body. 180 to 200 mg by dl. A dash dash is the smallest structural and functional unit of nervous system neuron. 99% of water is lost during transpiration. True or false? True. Which enzyme is present in all members of the animal kingdom except protozoa? Amylase. Zika virus is carried by mosquito dash dash mosquito, Aedes mosquito. Tomato contain which acid? Oxalic acid. Which animals respire without having blood in them? Hydra. Which cell acting as phagocytes are present in the liver? Kupfir cells. Which cell organs function as the powerhouse of a living cell? Mitochondria. A bite of a mad dog cause hydrophobia. Which disease is known as silent killer? High blood pressure. Human saliva contains the enzyme known as penicillin. Which gland disappears during old age? Thymus. The insect responsible for the spread of Kala Azar is saint fly. Dash dash is known as the strongest natural fiber, silk. Silk strongest natural fiber, which is known as graveyard of RBCs. Spleen. The gland known as master gland in human body is the pituitary gland. The process of cell division is known as mitosis, which part of the plant body act as the carrier of food and other substance to all its part. Phloem, which is the sweetest sugar. Sweetest sugar. Fructose. The hearing function is associated with which part of the human brain? Temporal lobe. Which major chemical compound is found in human kidney stones? Calcium oxalate. Which metal is present in insulin? Zinc. Thirst, hunger, and sleep are controlled by which part of the brain? Hypothalamus. Alcohol affect which part of human brain? Cerebellum. Which part of human brain is regulating center of swallowing and vomiting? Medulla oblongata. Which part of human eye changes its size based on amongst light? Pupil. अब बायो के लास्ट 10 क्वेश्चन बचे हैं. डैश डैश इज द प्लांट विच यील्ड बायोडीजल ऑफ और बायोफ्यूल. Jatropha Jatropha. The part of human eye which regulates the quantum of light entering is iris. Which salt is found in bone in largest amount? Calcium phosphate. What is the name of the test done on to diagnose cancer? Biopsy test. The vitamin which is considered to be hormone is vitamin D. Intake of which vitamin is recommended to improve blood coagulation? Vitamin K. Who explained about the blood circulation for first time? William Harvey. Alexander Fleming invented penicillin. And who is credited for producing first man-made gene in a lab? Dr. Harigoban Khurana. Xerophthalmia is a disease caused by lack of which vitamin? Vitamin A. तो ये थे आपके टॉप 300 MCQ विद आंसर साइंस के 100 फिजिक्स के, 100 केमिस्ट्री के, 100 बायो के. तो इनको अच्छे तरीके से आप रिवाइज करें. बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है, आपके एग्जाम में यही आने वाले हैं. वीडियो को देखने के लिए थैंक यू सो मच. इस वीडियो को बाकी फ्रेंड्स तक ज़रूर शेयर करें.